Hey guys, it's me Ben here at Neha Wireless. I'm gonna go live real quick just to discuss a cute little Valentine's Day special we have going. So today, if you buy the iPhone XR, we will give you the Apple Watch Series 3, 38mm, completely on us. That is free to you. All you have to do is come in, say Happy Valentine's Day. I want an iPhone XR and an Apple Watch, and voila. You will be walking out of here with an iPhone XR and a free Apple Watch. Alright guys, so I hope everyone has a great Valentine's Day and enjoys it however they see fit. And if you decide that you would like to get an Apple Watch and a new phone today, look no further, this is going to be the best place to go. Free Apple Watch with the purchase of the iPhone XR and iPhone 11, I'm sure we can probably do something with that too. It doesn't have to necessarily be the iPhone XR, but we can figure something out. Alright guys, so again, iPhone XR, buy one of those, get the Apple Watch Series 3 38mm completely free. Have a great day guys.